How to sign up for a new Best Buy account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create a new account on bestbuy.com. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, or you can just download the app from your Google Play Store or App Store. I'm just going to continue with my browser and search for bestbuy.com. And once you land on the homepage, what you need to do is head over to the account section at the bottom right. And once you land on the account page, you have two options. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in. And if you don't have an account, you can just create a new one. So just tap on create account. And here you will just have to add a few details of yourself. So what you need to do here is add your first name, then your last name, and then your email address. So I'm just going to do that right now. Then just enter your email address. Now you'll just have to create a password. It could be, here is an example. So you can enter any password here. Then you'll just have to confirm your password. So as you can see, you have to create a strong password. It should include lowercase, uppercase. Then you cannot have any spaces, numbers, and you can also have spaces, and you can also have special characters, including punctuation. So once you have done that, just enter your mobile number and then tap on create account. And then your account will be created. So once you do that, you will be sent a code on your email. You just have to confirm your code and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.